just filming another Get Ready With Me, so let's get started. I just felt like doing a simple look today using minimal products, but we'll see where that takes us. Usually I say that I end up doing a whole heap of makeup, but I'm going to really try my best just to keep it impactful but minimal. Starting off with the Tower 28 Sunny Days Broad Spectrum Sunscreen, and this one's in the shade Mulholland. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that over the face. I am looking down into a mirror here, and I hope you guys have been well. I love this product because not only does it provide protection from the sun, it's also like a foundation and sunscreen in one. And the finish is so luminous, so beautiful. It dries down to a beautiful, soft, matte, natural finish, and it does give a glow. Okay, I am going to start bronzing the face using the this is an oldie by Too Faced. It's the Bronzed Peach bronzer. It looks like that. So I'm just going to do some bronzing, and I'm not going to be contouring today, just concentrating on the bronzer. It's Anzac Day today in Australia. Look at that beautiful glow of a bronzer. I mean, it does have like a sort of a shimmery sheen to it, but it's not like in your face glittery, which is why I absolutely love this so much. I'm going to put a bit on the bridge of the nose. There we go. Give us a more of a sun-kissed effect. Next I'm going in with, I'm going to do, what am I going to do? What am I doing is the question. Am I looking for eyeshadow? Do I want an eyeshadow primer? Yes, I've got it here. NARS. This is I think it's the only kind of NARS eye primer that I've ever used. So just a little bit of that on the eyelids, and we'll work that in. It just sinks in so easily. So my journey with getting a part-time job hopefully will become a reality soon. Fingers crossed. I have an interview on site Monday, and it's for 3 days a week, which is what I want. And most importantly, it's 3 consecutive days a week, so 8-hour days, and fingers crossed, guys, fingers crossed. This way, by me enabling an area of my life where I can actually still do YouTube and also get a little bit of pay on the side. You know, I mean, of course I'd love to do YouTube full time, but it's my channel's very small, and you know, it's I don't know when it's going to be a reality that I can actually still do YouTube full time. I mean, I am doing it full time now, obviously, because I've got no job, but yeah, somebody has to pay the bills, right? So YouTube is definitely not catering in paying the bills at the moment. Catering, that doesn't make sense. But then again, do I ever make sense in anything? No, I don't. Okay, what eyeshadow palette do I want to use today? I'm thinking the By Mario palette. This one here is the only Mario palette that I have, and it's the Ethereal Eyes Moonlight palette. The Ethereal Eyes Moonlight palette. It looks like this. Going to pick up a brush. Which one is it? Am I going to use? Here we go. Hi. Okay, I'm dipping in with this brown shade right here. In the palette it is called EM12. Very pigmented, so you've got to really make sure you tap off. And I'm putting that all across the lower lid. Just to create a bit of depth to the lower lid. Just like that, really soft and simple. I'm not taking it any higher than where the natural, well, slightly, my crease is there. So just above that little crease. So pretty much when I open my eye, you can just see a hint of the colour. It's not pretty much over the eyelid crease, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I hope you guys have been well. What have you been obsessing over, or are you in a no-buy phase of your life, which is what I'm thinking of actually going into at the moment, because I've got so much makeup and all I want to do is just declutter my stuff, declutter the things that I'm not using. And I do want to hold on to all the stuff that I have, but I do know the most important part is not buying any more eyeshadow palettes, not buying any more mascaras, not buying any more lip liners, lipsticks, blushes, highlighters, bronzers, until we just use the stuff that I have. I mean, it's easier said than done, right? Easier said than done, but it can be done. I know a lot of people have gone down the no makeup route, or no buy or low buy route, and I think it's quite liberating. I think it's quite empowering to put your foot down and say no, put your foot down and stop the consumerism. But then I am a bit of a hypocrite. I still purchase, you know, whether it's for me or the cats or for other people. You just, I don't know. I'm a marketer's dream, if you know what I mean. A marketer's dream. But then I love YouTube and I love influencing, and I only love really talking about products that I love to use. And I will talk about products that I hate. Anyway, enough about these two eyeshadows going on my eye. It's done. It is done. I'm not making sense, but it's done. Going in with a little fluffy brush, and I'm dipping into this nude shade here. It's a very, very nude shade, and we're gonna sort of blow that out a little bit over the edge of the eyeshadow, and just working along the edge just to smoke it out. So easy, easy peasy, smoky eye. And of course this brush does make it really easy to do. And this one here is by Sonia G, and it is the mini booster brush. Look at that, guys. Smooth smokiness. Got an eyelash right there. There we go. This is like probably one of the quickest smoky eyes that you could ever do. Simple, and you don't even have to use 2 shades. I mean, you can use as many or as little shades as you want. But now I am going to do the lower lash line, but this has got green eyeshadow on it still from my cute little Martian look that I did the other day, which I really love doing, by the way, using the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Sugar and Grunge eyeshadow palette. Beautiful, beautiful palette. Okay, now what am I doing? I'm picking up gold and brown together, and I'm gonna do the lower lash line with that. I just realized that I haven't even got concealer on. Oh well. No concealer day today, guys. Picking up a little bit more of that goldy colour. Just doing a bit of an inner corner highlight, really subtle. Just like that. Feel free to go ahead and line the upper eyelid if you like with a bit of eyeliner, or even just eyeliner shadow. But I'm now going in with the Kevyn Aucoin. This one here is the Volume Mascara. Just going to line the top and bottom lashes. I haven't done my eyebrows today, and I'm not going to. I'm just leaving them pretty natural. I'm still really loving this mascara, by the way, by Kevyn Aucoin, but I am not going to repurchase it until I'm absolutely finished with it. And I've used some other mascaras as well up, because they need to be used up. Obviously, if I'm not liking them, I'm not going to use them. Although I do have a lot of favourite mascaras in my kit. It's just the way it is. Just going to line the inside of my eyes with a bit of kohl pencil using the Wayne Goss kohl pencil. And this one here is black. Just going to make sure it's sharpened. Just brings a little bit of, well, let's just, to put it bluntly, it does make your eyes pop. I'm not sure if this is, I don't think this is black. I think it's the amber colour. It's brown. My apologies. Well, it's a nice dark brown. Wayne Goss kohl pencils are the total best. They don't irritate my eyes. They're long lasting all day. Yeah, you do get a little bit of transfer. I do find that pretty much with any eyeliner. Maybe with gel you wouldn't, but it's a beautiful smudge regardless. If it does smudge, it just makes the effect look so much more beautiful. Okay, time for lips. I pulled out some oldie lip liners by Essence, the Soft and Precise lip pencils. We have the shade My Way and Bold. So we have My Way and Bold. And I am going to choose this one, which is My Way, and it's sharpened already. These don't compare to the Essence 8 Hour Matte Comfort Liner. You just can't compare. Still a pretty good lip liner though. I'm going to go ahead and fill in the rest of the lips with this colour. And then going in with my favourite lip shade by Chantecaille called Sari Rose. It's the Lip Chick lipstick. Sumptuous. I mean, this colour is sumptuous. And that completes the simple natural look for the day using not very many products actually. I think I did quite well. Wouldn't you agree? Anyway guys, for those of you who have recently subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. It really does mean the world to me. For those of you who are my current subscribers, thank you. I love you. And what can I say? I continue to be grateful for your support. And if there's any other videos that you'd like me to do, please leave them in the comments below. Or if there's any kind of product that you'd like me to try, maybe I might be keen to go out and get it, maybe. But on that note, guys, have an excellent day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.